Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the best techniques you'll enjoy watching. You can also find a lot of new stuff. If you want more such videos to come, you can support us by liking this video. So let's start. Atlas Automotive Equipment is a company that provides a wide range of automotive equipment and accessories for professional mechanics and car enthusiasts. The company offers products such as tire changers, wheel balancers, alignment machines, lifts, and other automotive equipment. If you are a professional in need of high-quality tools and equipment, the Draper Expert range is definitely worth considering. With a reputation for quality and performance, these tools can help you get the job done efficiently and effectively. With a stunning zero ground clearance, this wheel-less creeper takes the stress out of working in tight, low clearance, and hard-to-reach places. Unique tubular shape acts like a track, moving along effortlessly for up to 5 feet without the need to reposition. Interlayer acts like millions of tiny ball bearings for effortless maneuvering in all directions, even on rough and uneven surfaces. The YETI makes safe defrosting and snow removal easy. It removes snow from trailer roofs and blows it into a vacant lot or field on one side, eliminating the task of clearing snow from the ground. No prep or extra equipment required to have fun cooking everywhere. Camp Portable Kitchen 10-liter water tank for white water supply allows you to wash dishes. They offer various solutions for tracking vehicles, including real-time location tracking, fuel consumption monitoring, and driver behavior analysis. Reich Track Systems, home to the best rebuildable rubber tracks for trucks, trailers, and off-road vehicles. Working in mud, sand, snow, or other extreme ground conditions. A very cool design where the top of the jackstand is separated from the legs and used as a jackstand, then the legs are connected when the car is jacked up.